Hello everyone, this is Zach from TripVSA. So today this short video here, I would like to share with you about altcoins, okay, based on bond spread analysis. So before I take a look into altcoin, probably want to study a few more other counters, which is kind of similar previously with the movements, and we're gonna see what happened next. Okay, so of course, if you have joined our Telegram channel, previously we do highlight as well. When altcoin make a nice reversal with the NS, okay, as a support at the moment, right? So currently it already break up, okay, making a big climatic movements. Okay, I think 2 days ago, there is one widespread bar with high volume followed by uptrust, high volume from yesterday. So a few things that if you are still looking for entry, if you are still holding, probably there are a few things that you want to take notes. But again, this video here is not to do buy call. Okay, not asking you to buy or sell some stocks, but you need to do your own due diligence, or maybe this is our own trading plan, okay, before you want to go for the entry or exit, right? So now, okay, let's look into Taffy first. Okay, I think this counter here previously, I can't remember me on how Taffy also, because I've been shake out, okay, from this area as well. So if you look into Taffy, not to say this is 100% similar, but I can say almost 70-80% similar. Take a look into this. Okay, you got a widespread bar high volume followed by UT high volume, right? So again, usually this kind of formation is representing the weakness over its in control, because we got high volume up bar, going up, and followed by the next day you got the distribution bar with the uptrust. So, but I'm kind of surprised after that it actually hold, and with double NS, and straight away it made a follow through. So if let's say if you look into Taffy, okay, there are a few things actually we can learn from this trade. Is that first of all you want to focus back, okay, in the hourly chart. So if you notice hourly chart, right, they actually still tested well at the time, okay, above trend 40s, and this is the crucial bar actually, right? It actually make a follow through, okay. I mean, it break above the UT bars there, okay, with hourly high volume. So if I look back into the daily chart again, right, so this is the area we are looking for. Okay, so this bar here actually is able to cross the UT bar, okay, in the daily chart, okay, by using the hourly high volumes. So going back to OPCOM as well, if I look into OPCOM, because it kind of remind me currently got a similar formation, but I'm not so sure whether they will come with another high volume spot or not. Okay, so at the moment in hourly chart, it seems like it's still holding well. Okay, it's still holding well. Volume is high in the first hour. Sorry, the second hour today. This is 10 to 11, right? By the time I'm doing this video, but so far they haven't able to cross the resistance yet. Okay, so this is the area that you want to focus. Is there any uptrust or not? Okay, is there any uptrust or not? So you want to be careful. Is there any uptrust high volume? Red pentagon is there already, so you want to be careful on the subsequent double high volume, right? So if you look into Pascal cars, again, this is a stocks that previously make a big pump and dump and distributions, right? So if you look into here, again, a few things that you want to monitor. Again, we look into the past trades and apply with the current one, right? So this is a big uptrust, okay, but this is they make a quick pump and dump, right, with a one bar widespread bar with the UT in the same time. So if you look into hourly chart, there are a few things also you can learn, and you definitely don't want to see this in the altcoin, right? So here is the UT bar, okay, UT bar going up, make a high volume UT, and the next few hours another high UT, right? So right exactly at the resistance. So this is a sign of further distribution. I can say that's from the smart money. Okay, so let's look into altcoin again. Right, so that's why currently price is heading to resistance again based on hourly chart. So this is the area that probably you want to take notes. Okay, is there any high volume UT coming into the same areas or not? Okay, representing there's further distributions, right? So again, this video here is not to ask you to buy or sell something, okay, but just how I use BSA to help me better, okay, if I want to do a certain decisions. Okay, hopefully this video or this quick lesson here helps you a little bit. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the like buttons.